Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac XT5 Luxury featuring Crystal White Tricoat with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, Bose speaker system, power liftgate, backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker, and the liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and lumbar, and we can hop inside. To the left, we have the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left here, we have cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. To the right, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. We can turn the vehicle on, take a look at the infotainment system. Starting off with our audio here, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. Throwing it in reverse, here is the backup camera. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below that, we have our climate controls with heated front seats for both driver and passenger. Some extra storage, infotainment system controls, 2 cup holders, and the wireless, the center console here. Taking a look, we have storage up top as well as down below with 2 USB plugins. Up top is the rear view mirror. Just above that, we have the OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and the universal garage opener and a place to hold your sunglasses. And here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back here, we have some XT5 and Cadillac badging. To open up the back, all we gotta do is double click. It's gonna pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on the sides for extra visibility. Down below, we can go ahead and lift this up to reveal some extra storage. We can also drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra space, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. There's a 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle, we have our rear vents, and down at the bottom, 2 USBs. Up top, handles paired with a dome light matched on the other side, and in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.